Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Okay, here you can see this product. This name is Sunsilk shampoo, and this brand's name is Unilever brand, and it's very thick and long. Every day you can use this product.
Hello dear viewers, can you see on my hand one product? His name is Fair and Handsome. It's number one fairness cream for men. Maximum men use this product. So dear customers, why are you waiting for in this day? You can collect this product as early as possible. Bye.
Hi guys, you can see a product named Pond's White Beauty. If you got a problem of skin, you can take it from any kind of shop. Stop spotless fairness, dry skin and normal skin. That's all.
Hello guys, can you see the pen? This pen is sponsored by Retina Medical Admission Center. Retina is one of the best medical coaching center in Bangladesh, and many people are read the coaching and they are very established and got a seat in medical. So guys, bye bye.
Hey guys, you worried about your hair? You have dandruff problem? You have hair fall problem? Your hair is rough? Don't worry, we are bringing this shampoo. Try it, buy it, you are solving every problem. So, don't be late.
Hi viewers, do you want to overcome your problems of English? Please buy this book. The name of this book is Duka's Communicative English. It will help you to overcome all kinds of problems to be a great speaker. Okay dear, bye.